So we're just gonna make a quick little walk around video. I'm not gonna move it this time just cause got a lot of trucks to post. It's a truck month coming up. So here I have for you on special this red Ram. It is going to be 2021 Classic Express. So nice, beautiful condition of her. So we have just a sliver under 124,000 kilometers, a little bit higher kilometers than average, which means a more affordable price point for you. But yes, nice, beautiful red color. Seats go up, more storage. And I am going to check out the body a little bit more. Of course, all my vehicles come sparkling clean, so fully detailed, as well as a full tank of fuel. So we do have a nice affordable price on this Ram. And then I do have finance options available as well. So I have hooked up the satellite radio. This is going to be a 6-seater with the middle bench. And you can pretend there's no seat there. So here we have. Come on. Show me my kilometers. Just kidding. Okay, so 123,991. So yes, just under 124. And we're gonna have nice little backup camera, satellite radio. We're gonna have, of course. Whoopsies. Okay, so anyways, we'll have to hook up my phone and see this Ram offers in terms of CarPlay, but why something this age would not have CarPlay? And I have to double check that, and then I'm gonna put it in the notes of the vehicle. So yes, finance options are available with as little as no money down. Not too shabby tread left on the tires. And I'm not seeing any damages in terms of dents, chips. Looks like we got a brand new windshield on her. So this is available here at Leduc Hyundai by me. I'm Michelle. Hello, nice to meet you. Nice to hopefully meet you. Test drives are available. Shoot me a message. Would love to help you out.